welcome to my channel, Homeschool Mom of Two. I'm glad you stopped by today. I have been homeschooling this is going on my 3rd year, and I have 2 boys in middle school. But today we are going to do an unboxing of Talkbox.mom. Talkbox.mom is a program that allows you to learn a foreign language. As soon as you start opening the box, you can start to speak whatever language you would like to learn. So we're gonna step into that and figure out what comes in a Talkbox.mom box for Spanish. Before I get started, I do want to thank Megan from Planting Birches. She's the one that first brought this to my attention, and I saw it and I loved it, and I'm like, I have to have this, so I wanted to implement this into our program. My son will be in 9th grade next year, and this will probably be complement of whatever Spanish program I decide to go with. So enjoy the unboxing. So let's get started. So first of all, this is the box you'll get. It's very cute, adorable. Well, you don't need to know my address, but here's the box you'll get. I'm doing Spanish, so this BNHO, that's Spanish. And isn't it adorable? I mean, look at it, it's so cute. I guess if you're a guy getting this, it's not so cute, but it's so adorable. Look at it, it's so cute. Okay, so you'll get the box. This is your book that you're gonna get I haven't even opened any of this because I wanted to do it on video with you guys. And it's sticky. So when I ordered this book as well as the box. So these are 2 separate things. You can just get a box or you can get the book, and this is at home phrases to use immediately. Okay, so get a thumb through here real quick. All right, this is a Spanish one. Now you can choose any language that you would like to use, and I like Spanish, I know it, so if my kids are having problems, I know I can help them with it, okay, and correct them if I need to. So awesome book to have on hand. You'll get a card just saying thank you. You'll get this is the first box, and the fun thing about this is the first box is about snacks. I mean, snacks in the kitchen. How awesome is that? So I'm going to push this out. I don't even know how to get this out. Okay, that was a little tricky to get out, but it came out. Okay, so it says, I'm a challenge to put me up once you get to this challenge. I think there's several in here. Well, let's just unroll them. Whee! Okay, looks like kitchen items to speak in Spanish. There's that. And some more to speak. The snack chart. So you got snacks. Pretty cool. I think these will be going up on my, what did this one say? This one said, whoops, do I have it upside down? No, we didn't have a title, but anyway, but these are foods you would eat. Very cool. All right. And then the next thing comes in this cute little package. Isn't that adorable? Before we look at this, we're gonna look at the box, and it says your language immersion journey. These are all the boxes they have as of now, and I know they're adding more. So the first one is here, and then it goes in order if you decided to go through all of them and buy every box. Okay. Now there is also an app on your phone that you can get, and once you order your first box, you have it long term, and it has all your phrases that you're learning. It's so cool. So it's Talkbox app, companion app that you can find when you order the box. You'll get it, you'll get your password and everything to be able to download that. It's very awesome. Okay, so we're gonna unbox this real quick. So cute. Okay, so you'll get the snacks and kitchen box. Nothing on the back. Challenge paper, I guess, to say when you started your date, when you ended, and how it went. Put me on your fridge. A fun sheet for family goals. Very cool. Whoops. And I should have not taken that string off. That's why they put it on there, right? This must be your challenge 1 checklist. I'm going to move this out of the way. Aren't these adorable? They got hearts on them. I love it. This is challenge 2 checklist. Sorry, it's kind of an overcast day. I didn't really have a good spot to do a video today, and it's snowing out today. Who knew? And this one just fell out. My bad. It's all attached. But challenge 3, and it has challenge cards to go with it. How fun is that? So that is everything you get with your box. And here, I'll look at this real quick. This is also, so step 1, put up your guide or use it with activity. Step 2 is practice with the native speaker audio. Step 3, use the applicable phrases as life happens, and then get the app. Listen to the audio and track your progress. And the thing that I like is that it uses native speakers, so you're speaking the right way, not like Google Translator you would do on your phone. And you can immediately begin to start speaking in it. And the great thing is right now, since we're dealing with the coronavirus and we're in lockdown and we can do this and learn it and have fun right now. One thing that they taught you as a phrase of the week was to wash your hands. So we learned lavate las manos, wash your hands. So I've been using that on my boys a lot. Okay, so anyway, let me know if you've ever heard of this company, and I'll put a link down below and you can check it out and maybe get a deal. If they had a coupon deal out there, I don't know how long it'll be, maybe through this whole coronavirus issue until it's resolved. And also because they were at the Great Homeschool Convention and it got canceled, so they were doing it all on Facebook. So find Talkbox.mom on Facebook and online and check it out and let me know what you think, because I think it's going to be really fun to implement in our homeschool, and I hope you enjoyed this. So have a wonderful day and stay healthy. Bye guys.